I think we have spent 5 days, very delicious, and very useful training course, and a very important topic, certified professional health quality. And I think really we enjoyed this. Really, in Sudan, we search for standards to our health system and our health programs implemented now in Sudan, and which we now we are planning for and we decide to do. And I think this program will be very useful to maintain and to improve and to make progress in our health services in Sudan. Really, we appreciate you, and we appreciate your way in teaching. Very interesting, really, and we got a lot of information, a lot of skills, really, and we hope this program will extend and we take more advanced programs and to include our colleagues to be in this. Thank you.